Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier I did a video on duplicate distance, but this doesn't really have anything about it. A young lady had two ellipses on top of each other. And then when she would group them like this, or select them and then Control D, and then she would actually have four duplicates. And she couldn't, I'm pretty sure this is what's happening. It's the only way I can think of it, even thinking about it happening. Well, let's go back just to two of them. And somebody suggested, and I know this is true, if you click on it with the Object Manager, it's just one ellipse showing. But if you marquee it or put a lasso around it, it tells you that there's two ellipses there. And also down here, it tells you one object on layer one. You can't select both of them at one time like this. You have to go around them. So just to double check, if you ever think you have a duplicate, is just look at your Object Manager, which is under a Docker, which we just talked about yesterday, and it's Objects or Object Manager on depending what version you have. And there's the two ellipses. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.